This is it. If you're in the market for a torque wrench, you've come to the right place. In this video, we compare 5 of the best torque wrenches on the market to help you make an informed decision. Product 1. The first is the Steelman 96249 1/4-inch drive micro-adjustable torque wrench. This torque wrench has a 20 to the 200 inch-pound range and a micro-adjustable torque knob for precision tightening. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to use in tight spaces. One downside is that it doesn't come with a case for storage. Product 2. We have ProBike Tool 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench set 10 to 60 Nm bicycle maintenance kit for road and mountain bikes. This torque wrench is specially designed for bike maintenance and has a range of 10 to 60 Nm. It comes with a case and a range of bits for versatility. However, it may not be suitable for off-bike work. Product 3. ProBike Tool Adjustable Torque Wrench Set 4, 5, 6 Nm Shop Quality Bicycle Multi-Tool suitable for home use, contains 3, 4, 5 mm Allen T25 tool bits. Also designed maintenance kit for road and mountain bikes is for bike maintenance and ranges from 4 to 6 Nm. It is compact and comes with a range of bits for versatility. However, it may not be suitable for tasks requiring high torque. Product 4. A Ruckman 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench dual direction adjustable torque wrench set ranges from 5 to 80 Nm and can be used for both tightening and loosening. It comes with a case for storage. However, it may not be as precise as other torque wrenches. Product 5. Finally, we have the Tekton 1/4-inch drive click torque wrench, 20 to 200 NLB, 24,320 and 1/4-inch drive hex bit socket set, 10-piece, 2 to 8 mm, SHB 90102. This torque wrench has a 20 to 200 inch-pound range and comes with a range of bits for versatility. It also features an easy-to-read scale and a reversible ratchet head. However, it can be too heavy for tight spaces. Now that we've looked at the features and pros and cons of each of these torque wrenches, which one should you buy? It all depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you are looking for a torque wrench for bike maintenance, the ProBike Tool 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench set or the ProBike Tool adjustable torque wrench set would be a great choice due to their specific design for bike use. If you need a torque wrench that can be used for both tightening and loosening, the Ruckman 3/8-inch drive click torque wrench dual direction adjustable torque wrench set is a good choice. If you're looking for a torque wrench that's compact and easy to use in tight spaces, the Steelman 96249 1/4-inch drive micro-adjustable torque wrench is a great choice. And if you need a torque wrench with a wide range of torque settings and a range of bits for versatility, the Tekton 1/4-inch drive click torque wrench is a great option. Ultimately, the best torque wrench for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching this video. Check the video description for details.